Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Olive Garden-style Alfredo sauce. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need heavy cream, unsalted butter, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Using fresh garlic is key for that authentic taste. Remember to cook your favorite pasta separately while you prepare the sauce, ensuring everything is ready to combine for a delicious meal. This recipe is surprisingly simple and yields fantastic results. Let's start with the flavorful base. In a medium saucepan over low heat, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to brown the garlic, as this can make it taste bitter. This step infuses the butter with a wonderful aroma, setting the stage for our creamy sauce. Now for the creaminess. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream into your butter and garlic mixture. Continue whisking gently as you bring the sauce to a low, gentle simmer. Do not let it boil vigorously. Once simmering, gradually add 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, whisking constantly until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth. This slow addition prevents clumping and ensures a silky texture. To finish, season your Alfredo sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. If the sauce seems too thick, you can thin it out slightly with a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water, whisking until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve this rich and creamy Alfredo sauce immediately over your hot, cooked pasta. Garnish with a little extra Parmesan and fresh parsley if you like. Enjoy your homemade Olive Garden-style meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.